Hey, good afternoon. It's 1:46. Why am I back in the car? I gotta get Herbie. Also, I wanted to show you this. People probably already know, but I just needed to show you. Okay, so down here, everybody's got that lever that can adjust up, down. But did you also know it comes out? Oh, Miss Purdy, were you lonely this whole time? She come downstairs meowing very much. She's starting to shed. Getting her clumps. See, right here. Right, kitty. Meow. She's meowing very loud. Alright, you're gonna be here. Just stand on my leg. It's fine. Alright. Should we watch some TV? Yes, let's watch TV.
What's going on?
It's company policy that nothing leaves the archives. You violated that policy, so I'm afraid we're going to have to let you go.
Are you serious, Laura?
It's company policy.
It's me. Hey, look me in the eyes, Laura. Laura, what is wrong with you?
Security will escort you out.
We have a problem. There's a horse loose on the premises.
Really?
Which you shouldn't even know about. You do not.
You're still yelling at me?
Is an option that I have deemed unsafe and wouldn't even.
What's wrong, kitty?
Right. I felt
Kitty!
like it was a little conservative, but you are a resident. Your
Bless you.
feelings about my decisions are not valid.
Alright, everybody. Today's been a very chill day. It's recovery day from 16 hours of driving and, not much rest. So, but tomorrow I have the day off. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about New Orleans. So, have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Toodles.